All right, folks, so I want to talk about our unit that we're in right now, which is proportional relationships. Now, when we look at proportional relationships, we have to focus on this part right here. So what is a proportion? So a proportion is an equation, all right, that has two ratios in it. So if we look at it and we think about like our if-then models, let's say if, then. So if two markers cost $4, then 4 markers costs, that's right, $8. All right, so an equation showing two ratios or fractions that are equal. And I say or fractions because this idea of a proportional relationship and ratios has to go back to one of our previous units where we discuss what a ratio is. So a ratio is a comparison of two things. All right, so we said ratios exist in 3 different ways. All right, so we have part to part, part to whole, and whole to whole. So let's take a look at like what that kind of looked like for a second. So looking at this picture right here, we have figure A and figure B. So my 3 questions are: give me a part to part ratio, a part to whole ratio, and then a whole to whole ratio. So if I say give me a part to part. Let's look at this figure A, just one side of this picture. And let's say there are 2 green triangles. So 2 green triangles to 1, 2, 3 green diamonds. In figure A. Now it's important to specify what your shapes and the details that are important to what you're counting, because you see I also have yellow diamonds here. All right, so let's look green triangles to 3 green diamonds in figure A. So telling me it's just this figure here. All right, let's look part to whole. All right, let's go back to these green diamonds, okay? 1, 2, 3. 3 green diamonds, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, to 16 total shapes in figure A. All right, and this last one, whole to whole. All right, so I'm looking at this side to this side involving this figure B. So I know I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I have 16 shapes in figure A to 15 shapes in figure B. All right, so looking at that, these are our different types. Now you notice I put this word 2 in the middle, and that's not always the case. It's not always how we have to write ratios. We have a few different ways we write them, and the first one we think about is the one I showed you, A to B, this to that. All right, we also have A colon B, all right? And then the one we'll use most frequently throughout this unit is as a fraction, A over B.